Welcome everyone, it's Gray Shirt Guy rocking the gray shirt as always. Hope you guys are doing great. We're opening up some more Odyssey, Torment, and Judgment. Let's just kind of get into it. And I got a new light setup, so it might be a little bit brighter. Tell me how you feel about the new light setup down in the comments below. All right, let's see what we got. Make sure I'm in frame here. All right, so we got acceptable losses. Essential cost to play it, discard a card at random from your hand, it deals 5 damage to target creature. Okay. Timberland Ruins. Croson Avenger again. Immobilizing Ink. Woodland Druid. Firebolt. Cephalid Scout. Nantuku Disciple. Scorching Missile. Dematerialize. Refresh. First uncommon is Execute, destroy target white creature. It can't be regenerated. Draw a card. Thoughtful, well, not Thoughtful Eater. Thought Eater. Flying your maximum hand size. Ooh, ugh. Sylvan Might. Nice. And our rare is another Cephalid Shrine. I do believe we already got this card. Well, that's beyond depressing. All right. Let's hope that the Torment pack redeems itself. I can just open that on up. Alright, we got Deep Analysis, Grave Gouger. Looks pretty creepy. Crackling Club. Oh, there you go. Militant Monk. Organ Grinder. It's a pretty sweet looking zombie. Nantuku Calmer. Calm the tree. Looks like what it's doing. Little Croson Restorer. Untap target land. Could be useful. Sonic Seizure. Unhinge. Little Liquefy going on there. Flash of Defiance. First uncommon is Arnordu Scavenger. Little frog dude. Flaming Gambit. And... okay, so not what I'm looking for. We got Grotesque Hybrid, little zombie creature. Ooh, actually, let me read this real quick. I believe I remember this card. When it deals combat damage to a creature, destroy that creature. It can't be regenerated. All right. Discard a card from your hand. Gains flying protection from green and white to let him turn. Yeah, I remember this card being actually really good if you could get it out. And Grib Lavamancer. There you go. A little rare action going on. I think this is worth a little bit, not too much, but let's see. It's a wizard. Pay 1, tap, remove 2 cards in your graveyard from the game. It deals 2 damage to target creature or players. So. Yeah, not bad. All right, let's see what this Judgment pack holds for us. Got to remember that the Judgment cards are in a different order. So we got 3. Okay. Arcane Teaching, Cage Mail, Defy Gravity, Giant Warhog, Prismatic Strands, Lost in Thought, Liberated Dwarf, Gortuss Firebeast, Guided Strike, Harvester Druid, Vigilant Sentry, Flash of Insight. There you go. This one I have an idea. I look exactly like that. That's our first uncommon. Then we have Wormfang Crab for a second uncommon. Nightmare Crab looks pretty creepy actually. Web of Inertia, and our rare is Selfless Exorcist. It's a 3/4 cleric for 5. Remove target creature card in a graveyard from the game. That card deals damage equal to its power. A star on a card not in play is 0. Oh, okay. That could be interesting or not. All right, let me do the TCG Player app and see what value we got out of these 3 packs. Be right back. All right, as you can see on the screen there, we have $20.61. Turns out the Grim Lavamancer is actually worth 18 bucks. So, well, you know, we went on that one. I think we may have paid for the pack with the Grim Lavamancer. Or maybe I think we made money on the single pack cost. But yeah, nothing else in here is worth. Well, the web. So all I did was I scanned the uncommons and the rares, and so the Web of Inertia is worth $1. Everything else is under $1. So, all right. Anyways, tune in next week for some more. Later.